Did you know that your hormones play a huge role in your ability to manage your weight? Hey everyone, my name's Mallory. I'm one of the medical providers at our Prairieville location. Whether you're struggling to lose weight or keep wondering why the scale keeps creeping up, it may be because of imbalance in your hormones. Thyroid hormones, sex hormones, and insulin can all influence your body and its ability to store fat, burn energy, and overall lose the weight. Your thyroid is what is responsible for your metabolism, so having a suboptimal or low thyroid function has a direct correlation to that overall metabolism, which can definitely make you more prone to the weight gain. And when it comes to testosterone and estrogen, these hormones also determine where your fat may be stored. Whether it may be due to aging, stress, or lifestyle factors, an imbalance in all of these hormones can be a top contributor to your inability to lose weight. At Rejuvime Medical, we specialize in identifying and addressing these hormone imbalances. By optimizing your hormones through HRT, we can help you to take control of your weight and feel your best. Interested in learning about how your hormones may be the cause of your weight gain? Schedule a consultation at Rejuvime Medical and let's get your body back in shape.